How to grow bigger, sweeter tomatoes with baking soda. Bigger, healthier tomatoes don't require expensive chemical fertilizers. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are already in your home. One of them is baking soda. Baking soda is a safe, natural, and budget-friendly option. It protects your plants from diseases and pests without harming people or the environment. It helps lower the soil's acidity, which tomatoes love. It also boosts plant growth and improves their resistance to sudden temperature changes. When you soak seeds in a baking soda solution, they germinate better, and the seedlings grow stronger. Baking soda also helps tomato bushes produce more flowers, leading to larger, sweeter fruit, something every gardener dreams of. So, how do you use baking soda in your garden? For seeds, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda in 2 liters of water. Soak the seeds for 24 hours before planting. For seedlings, 2 weeks after sprouting, mix 30 grams of baking soda in 3 liters of water. Spray the plants to strengthen their immunity and encourage growth. After transplanting, mix 500 grams of baking soda in 10 liters of water. Pour half a liter of this solution under each plant. You can also spray the leaves. After flowering, to encourage fruit development, mix 30 grams of baking soda in 2 liters of water. Pour half a liter under each plant, when the fruit starts to grow. To improve taste and help the tomatoes grow faster, spray the plants once a week with a mix of 5 liters of water and 200 grams of baking soda. For pest control, if pests attack your tomatoes, mix 75 grams of baking soda in 10 liters of water. Spray the plants every 2 to 3 days until the pests are gone. To prevent diseases, mix 1 tablespoon each of baking soda, dish soap, and vegetable oil. Add 1 crushed aspirin tablet and mix into 5 liters of water. Spray every 10 days to keep your plants healthy. To stop yellow leaves in summer, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 10 liters of water. Spray the plants in July and August to keep the leaves green and strong. Important tips: always use dechlorinated water. Prepare solutions in glass or plastic containers. Use lukewarm water, no hotter than 120 degrees Fahrenheit 50 degrees Celsius. Spray your plants early in the morning or late in the evening when the sun is not strong. Don't store the baking soda solution for more than 3 hours. Baking soda is a simple, natural way to care for your tomato plants. Use it correctly, and you'll enjoy a bigger, sweeter harvest without harmful chemicals.